I don't know what to say. I don't have a script.
No
hey,
idea.
everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing. That guy over there is Harry.
That guy, I think his name's Lloyd, but I really have no idea. I haven't been around for a while.
It's been 2 weeks since we did this or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember back that far.
Anyways, welcome to Dumb Investing.
Oh, it's about to get dumb up in here.
Oh, welcome to the Dumbest Investing channel on all YouTubes. A little bit about what we do here. It's a pretty simple show. We roll random dice. We pick random stocks. We do that 3 times. We do a short dive into each of those 3 stocks, and we decide, hey, which one of these 3 idiots do we want to invest our hard-earned retirement money into? We go and we buy it the very next day. And we've built a whole great big portfolio doing that same damn thing. That's how we do it.
And boy, do we know how to pick them.
Yeah. All right. Let's go see how we do it. Let's go roll some dice.
All right.
Let's go here. Yeah, there we go. All right.
Random.
Vortex. What's that?
Got to go to the vortex first.
We do. And then random.org is where we grab our random dice. So we go out here and we roll a random dice, bounce it off the wall, says a 2. We go to a random stock picker and we click it 2 times. 1, 2. And we get SSNC. All right. First stock of the night. Second stock, we go back out here. We pick up that dice. Bam. Throw it against the wall again. We get a 4. Random stock picker. 1, 2, 3, 4. LFST. All right. Last stock of the night is brought to us by a 2, a 1, a 2. All right. NOVV. All right. How we do this? Harry, the smart guy in the group, uses Webull. Webull is the trading platform that Dumb Investing uses to do our trading. Down in the description below, there's a link. If you follow that link and you put $100 in your account, you're going to get 2 free stocks. I go out to Yahoo and we learn a little bit about these companies. So our first one is Nova Vision Acquisition Corp. Sounds like a SPAC. It is a SPAC. That one is a no. We don't do SPACs on this channel. LFST is our next one. All right. Life Stance Health Group Incorporated. What do we know about them? They have been around for 5 months. Yeah. Not a good showing in 5 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're based out of Scottsdale, Arizona. Companies focused on evidence-based, medically driven treatment services for children, adolescents, and adults. So I guess that's pretty much everybody suffering from a variety of mental health issues in an outpatient care setting, both in person at its clinics nationwide and through its digital health telemedicine offering. Okay.
Well, they had revenue in 2019. They had revenue in 2020. 2019, they actually made a little bit of money. Revenue almost doubled into 2020, and they lost money. Let's see what's going on quarterly. Oh, yeah. All right. So revenue in the last 4 quarters has grown from 100 million a quarter to about 175 a quarter. Losses have grown from a $3 million loss to a $120 million loss. So is that the cost of increasing revenue? Is that going to end soon? We'd really need to learn a little bit more about what they're doing.
I think that is awfully early to get into something like that.
Yeah. That's not good for them to be only a couple months old and getting downgraded by Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what our third one is. So far, not a lot of love here. SSNC, which is Technologies Holding. What are they holding? Let's see.
Provided software and software-enabled services for the financial and healthcare industries. Company owns and operates a range of technology stacks across securities, accounting, front to back office operations, performance and risk and analytics, regulatory reporting, and healthcare information processes. Company portfolio, blah, 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 blah.
I love their chart. Their chart, you can hardly even see the COVID dip because they were having substantial growth, and then they'd have peaks and valleys, and it looks like it's just continuing on up. It doesn't look.
Dividend.
Oh yeah, okay. And are they? I would assume they're making money. Oh, look at that!
They make money.
They make a lot of money. Wow, and they are smoking
a quarter.
the street.
625 million in revenue. No, that's net income.
That's income. 4.7 billion in revenue.
That's a lot of revenue.
They're not small. All right, I think we found our one. I'm cool with it.
Yep.
All right, and that's how we do it, folks. There's a lot of other things you can look at. You can deep dive into all this fun stuff here. That's how we pick it. Hot diggity dog.
There we go. So now what we do is we go over to take a look at what we own and how bad they have done.
Or good. Sometimes they do good. Last 2 days have been pretty red personally, so I assume it's been really red for us at Dumb Investing too.
There's pain in the streets. We've got Green Lane Holdings today down 9.82%.
Green Lane, what you doing?
VTV Therapeutics down 4.5%. Butterfly down 3.81%. The Brazil Bull down 3%. On the winner's side, we've got a whole whopping.
Not many.
8.
Not looking
not
good.
Offset. We've got Park City Group up 1.93%, and we've got Enovix, which is a new one that I have personally owned during some of this stuff over here. I did not get all the way over here, but I did get some of this.
Oh, yeah, that's what we bought on our last show. Look at that. She's green already.
Yeah, 1.81.
I thought you'd like that one. That was one where I bought it by myself, right? You weren't here?
Yeah, I wasn't there, but I have definitely owned this personally for a little while, a few months back. And yeah, I took it for a little bit of a ride, and then I got a little scared when it started to go flat, and then I sold it. Made a little bit of money, and then it continued to run. Thankfully, I didn't own it while it's coming back down the backside here. But this is an interesting play. This is a solid state. I believe they're solid state battery tech, but
something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely EV battery technology related. That I know. And then we've got Pnc Financial up 1.33%. So overall on the portfolio, we've got a loss today of only $12.76.
Man, it's still big though.
I don't think this is right, but anyway. This might be like real time with.
Yeah, I think that includes the after hours, because a lot of your ones, a lot of them were green after hours,
right,
so it might have been uglier earlier.
Yeah. So we've got Worry Bank up 21.05%, and then we've got On Assignment up 12.79%. Where did all of our 20% stuff go?
It got 3 red days, dude. Just wiped them out. They all went downstairs. The downstairs one, the reds are, yeah. See, look, we're at 40 something now. Good on you, Green Lane.
Look at that.
Glad we doubled down on you guys. Jeez.
Yeah. Yeah, we've got Ideanomics down 40%. We've got BurgerFi down 30%. We've got the Brazil Bull down 29%, and so on and so forth. This falling knives just keeps bleeding.
All right, you want to hear something funny?
Yeah.
So we took Dad to the airport tonight. Father Picker was in town. That's why I forgot the show last night. A little too much whiskey. So we were driving back, and there was an accident on the freeway. So Waze routed me down, and we drove right by the BurgerFi at dinner time. It was about 7:15 when we drove by. And I was driving, and I didn't really even notice it. The wife did, right? And she says, "Hey, do you still own any of that crap?" And I said, "We do." And she's like, "It's dinner time and it's empty. Why do you still own them?" Yeah, honey.
Mr. Picker, we're hoping for a rebound.
Welcome to Dumb Investing.
No doubt about it. So there you have it.
And that's the Daily Show. That's how we do things. We might get our act together, maybe do a market commentary on Thursday night, because we've got who talks tomorrow?
J Powell's talking tomorrow, and he's going to send the market down.
You think he's going to tank it?
I have no idea.
I think we're all waiting to find out which Jay Powell shows up, because nobody knows what the hell this guy might say tomorrow.
Well, let's throw in a little bit of commentary right now. So we think that the market thinks that Jay Powell is going to announce that the taper is going to double. So we're going to change it from 15 billion to 30 billion. We're going to start tapering back even faster. So in doing that, that means by end of March, we're going to be fully tapered out, and interest rates are going to start rising after that. That scares a lot of people. If Jay Powell comes out tomorrow and says something different, like 15, and we're going to continue on that $15 billion trend, the market is just going to love that.
Yeah, I think you're right.
If they hear 30, I think the market will be fine, because the FUD is gone, and that's kind of what everybody's expecting. So we'll just be like, cool, yeah, great. So I think the market will be green. If he says anything other than that, something along the lines of, oh, we're going to go to 50 billion a month, and we're going to increase interest rates, the markets are going to drop 10%.
I think you're right. You got a pile of cash? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I have to see, I've got an offer on a rental property right now, and we are fighting with a cash offer. We are tied for first place, is what they've told us. This house went on the market Friday at noon, had an open house Saturday. We went to the open house, Dad and I did, Mr. Picker, and there were 20 people, 20 groups waiting to get in when we showed up at the open start. And when we left, there were about 30 groups waiting, because they only let 2 groups in at a time. So we made our offer. By the time our offer got in, there were 22 other offers. And the one that is kind of leading with us, they told us that we were basically tied in first place. It is a cash offer, but it comes with a bunch of contingencies. And ours can close in 2 days, no contingencies. We'll take it as it is. Let's just get her closed by the end of the year, and boom. And they really like that. The cash people are being really snooty and stuff like that. And we're just like, let's do it. We can close tomorrow.
Right.
So yeah. So if I close, I don't have any cash. But if they take that cash offer, I'm sitting on a pile of it, and it's going into Tesla, baby.
Yeah, we're going to continue to watch Elon sell some shares at 934,051 shares or whatever it is a day. He's got 70% roughly sold. He's got 30% left to go. Going to be done by the end of the year, probably, because he needs to pay off some.
Has to. Yeah.
And in doing that, he is effectively reducing the stock price himself with such liquidity in the market, which possibly brings around some buying opportunities for guys like you and me when he's done selling, and we get down to $850, $900 a share.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Anything else we got to talk about, or that? I mean, there's a lot going on tomorrow when Powell starts.
I don't know. I mean, everyone got a bit of a market commentary, little synopsis today, so we should probably update our little description so people watch the show and got a little bit of insight as to what's going to happen in the near future.
Cool.
The ball.
And if you guys get anything out of the show, tell your friends, man, and leave some comments down there, because we would love to interact and hear some stuff. And man, that's why we do it. Have a great night.
See ya.
Don't trade like that guy.
Oh yeah, or that guy. Whoever you are.